Ona afugo na mwa wada ejego ma batagom. Ejene mbata. Kene Chineke adamam no na aka ọnụ ụmụnne m ndị ọnụ. Otu aka unu si jechakwa wee batakwa n'udo na-enwe nsogbu ọna. Ana m ekene Chineke si ya na ọ dịghị izi. Ọnwụ site na amala anyị. Ọnwụ site n'ike aka anyị. Site na amala Chukwu. Sitekwa n'ike aka Chineke. Yes. When I see him na ekene na ọ dịghị izi. And the vice neto dikena komele.
All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I just want us to go through this post that the video that this woman made. You see, there's something that's going on that I just want to call your attention on that. A few days ago, I showed us. I displayed a video of Ogenkere. All right, trying to attack. Not trying. He attacked Biafra Unite. He called him Sabo. The question is, did he just realize that? Did he just realize that the guy is questionable, has a questionable character? Or is it because he refused to, join them in all these shenanigans? Now, the truth is that everyone have right to do what they want to do. Everyone have right to say what they want to say. Everybody have right to distance themselves the way you want. But where I have problem with some of us is that you don't like Mr. A. You think that Mr. B is the best. Join Mr. B and focus on Mr. B. Do not turn your back and begin to talk down on the other one. Judging by what Anabra said few weeks, I think 2 weeks now, that there's something that Igbos, Biafra need to learn from the Northerners. According to him, he used the word Boko Haram. That's something that you need to learn from them. That does not mean that that does not mean that you should start at least trying to terrorize anybody. No. Or to begin to support buying of innocent people. No. I agree with him on that. That thing is this. You want to achieve something, I want to achieve something. The other person wants to achieve, 3 of us want to achieve one thing, one goal. But I think that going through left is the best way, the shortcut. You think that going forward is a shortcut to hit the target. The other person thinks that going back will help him to get it. Focus on that route that you have decided to follow. Focus on that and try your best. Your good deed in that way will actually may make some of us that believe that the other way is the best way to say, okay, please, let me just join you and add my voice or my strength to push it to get to the destination. In northern part, you have Iswa, Bugaram, name it. Now you have hunters, banditry, and all those things, all these names. In other one canopy, to achieve one thing, to conquer and invade the lands of others, to help Fulani to have a country of their own, because there's no country in this world that is called Fulani country or Fulani ancestral land. There's none, because they believe that coming to your land is a way to push you away to take the land, and because they keep on giving birth like termites. Anyway, that's the story for another day. Now, when Ogekere said that, I thought he decided to highlight on that. No. Chiamaka Jere made a program, a very long one, I think 4 to 5 hours, where he decimates Biafra Unite, talk down on him, and highlight some key points, which I shared here as well, where he talked about what Adadrama, why he saw Francis and Ago, what she told him about Biafra United. Biafra United is actually with you guys. I don't want to go back to that video because it is here. If you watch all my video here, what I'm saying now is it shouldn't be a new thing to you. Having said that, not only him, all the camp of Ogekere, because one thing is this, for you to know any movement that their media team are on salary base, one of the easiest way to know is this. When A posts something or made a video about something, B will not hesitate. In fact, they will do it simultaneously. Like if you check all their platform, all of them are reporting one thing. That is how to know people who are in a team or in a WhatsApp group or in any group, or, bring in one single topic for the day to all of them. Check other people like USB. Anybody broadcasting or media, both private, independent media or government licensed media, like True Survivor, Ugo 247, go and check their program. They have different topic every day. But at end, they are reporting, the reportage is pointing hands at one thing: freedom, agenda of USB, but in a different way. Then you come to independent broadcasters, people that are reacting on what is going on, exposing things and pointing out things for you to know. Different topic, different methodology, pointing hands at one thing. Not copy, copy, copy. If I like, there's a video, all right, that they are sharing it as we speak. Voice note of Biafra Unite. They are sharing that voice note just to cajole the guy. And the thing is that I don't feel pity for him, and I will tell you why. Not that I know him in person, I don't have any grudges against him, but I hate liars. I told us many times here, I don't like liars. When you are lying and lying and lying at detriment of well-being of other people or your people, that is a no-no for me. And this very man came out and said unprintable things, unhealthy topics or statements against the COS. I don't know CS in person. The way you know her, that's why you know her. She don't know me. We don't talk. All right. But like I said, she is the leader as we speak. Even though some people are questioning, oh, why is she doing this? Why is she doing that? Like I said, you have right? Focus on that you know that is good for you. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's by the way. He said, Biafra United said all manner of nonsense stuff, trying to talk that on her, knowing fully well that she's doing, even though you don't agree with her, but the way you present the issue is, it seems like she want to just rubbish her and rubbish everything. He forgot that it's not about her. Like I said, now that because he was busy talking in favor of Ogengere, telling you that he's neutral, and then for you to know that Ogengere people, they understand that truly he's talking in their favor, but they want him to come, with his full chest to identify with them. But the guy did not do that, and it became an issue. So they were okay with all what he was saying. All of a sudden, they realized now he's a sabu, because they have waited and waited and waited. The man did not seem to come back or to fall back the way they want him to fall. Maybe he fell back, but he did not fall deep. So they are now agitating about it. And Ogengere group, they know that Nwayi Ocha is a very close friend to Biafra Unite. Very close one. That she don't joke with Biafra Unite. Biafra Unite know that. And Nwayi Ocha claim that she is now with Briggy. Now Briggy they're not telling her, stop sharing his Biafra Unite message. Don't talk about her, don't talk about him. He's not with us and that. And Nwayi Ocha is in the third corner. Conflict of interest is not dealing with it, because what Nwayi Ocha and the group wanted to do is this: to remain calm, put body with Ogengere, while trying to deceive people to believe that they are the right people, they know what reference wants, and they can do it better than anybody. So when the environment is not conducive for them to practice what they want to practice using Briggy, they paused. And Ogengere, people are monitoring them. What are you going to do now? Are you coming with us or not? They keep on waiting, and they know that Nwayi Ocha is not just, she don't have much to offer. So their target is Biafra Unite. And Biafra Unite is the only person that Nwayi Ocha is hoping on academically to propagate the Republic, Charter Republic. Do you understand? And they keep on testing their strength, testing their strength. Even Chamaka said it on that video. I intentionally refuse to add it on that video that I upload because I don't want the video to be too long. If you are to react on that video, we may generate different videos from that one broadcast of Chamaka Jere. But I try to end it there. Let us just focus on that thing. Now, as we speak, they are sharing secret or private audio of Biafra Unite to them, telling them this. Listen, just a moment, let me get the volume up because I know all of you would like to hear that properly. And some of you on S must have seen this. Now listen.
Your side. If I send the message that I put out there through my platform. So abone kusiaya. Achamka forward to the government in exile. Imeko rute mazo genkeraka. So I have no regret on anything. The only regret that I have is that our people have been misled and our people are not really ready for freedom. Why we are all, especially the likes of Mazinam Dekano and Simon Eba, are suffering for our people, including our men, Noni Mafia, and then So, but generally, I'm talking about our people, not even the freedom fighters, because all of us, we have suffered a lot for our people. But the way things is again, I feel that our people are not truly ready for freedom. So those who will continue will have to do more. We have to do more. So, because I'm selling my platform. I think what the government need now is not even the individual that is handling the platform. What the government need is platform to continue the dissemination of the gospel. So let them know if they are interested. I contact them. And Ocha can get send there to the camp of Madam Ngozi because it's no longer a secret, it's in the public. I am very, very serious on what I'm saying and I'm serious on what I'm doing. So okay. I'm selling off the platform. Let the interested party get to me. Thank you.
Now, this is the audio. All of them begin to rage, begin to insult him. They kept quiet all this while. This is not the new message. This was the message that Biafra United sent to them when all of you are aware that he wanted to say his platform. It's no longer in use. And this is the message that he conveyed to the government of Oginkere. This is their group. He made this message to them, telling them that this is what I want and that he will send it to COS. Whether he sent it or not, whether he said it or not, I'm not sure because I assume that after sending the message to them, because from his message you can understand that he first passed the message to them because he wished to send the platform to Ogenkere first. But if worst comes to worst, anybody can buy. Mentioning COS could be a strategy for him to sell it, for them to be aware that there's a potential buyer as well, so that the money may be up as a businessman. But does it mean that they truly did that? I'm not sure. You get the point? I'm not sure. So when the going get tough, they realize that this thing is not what we want from Biafra United. He's not falling back the way you want him to fall back. Okay, made the statement that he made a few days ago, which I shared here. And because one thing is that, like I told you, they always conclude on what to circulate on social media in their camp. Like as a good, that's why you see people who cannot even think for themselves working as a media team because they don't talk, they don't think, they don't reason, they only copy what it's just like, okay, you guys should go and use a various platform, go and circulate this thing, post it and talk about it. Nothing more. The topic was passed to them. They can't generate topic on their own. Not at all. So that's what they're doing. And that's why they are respecting Ada. Okay, group are afraid of Ada. You know why? Because Ada can generate her own topic. No, even in her level, she can generate her topic. Can all of them, apart from Sanak Barawa and Vam, none of them, all of them, Vam, Sanak Barawa and Ada, these three can generate topic on their own. Others are just follow. They don't know how to bring up their own topic or to analyze something on their own. The Okute TV guy, that one is just he's good in cut and join, putting picture and he don't, but to think critically, to bring up something, to analyze something deep, to read meaning into something, no, he's not there. Ada cannot read meaning. Ada may bring up topic, but he would just mess the topic up. But he can bring up a topic. He messed it up because of her own personal interest. Like I told you, conflict of interest. Now, here are that reaction because people that listen to our analysis on those things called her and said, "Look, oh, it seems like Ogekere is against you now. No, look at, see. She's trying to defend herself, and let's go through her own reaction. Now, listen."
Ife anyị nọ na ya. Unu n'anya tata o nwere ife m chọrọ ikwugodu before mbanye na
Anytime this woman is talking, anytime she want to say something, I begin to, without running speed, know that thing is here on her neck. You mean she's struggling to get off from that hook, and this issue of banter going on between. Biafra United is not even attacking them yet, too. No, he just calmed down and he's the one receiving insult because you understand that responding to the attack because they are arranging insult on the insult. I don't want to bring all of them here. If I begin to bring posts, voices, in just past 2 to 3 days now, from fallback Republic against Biafra United, we may not have another thing to talk on this session. You get the point. So what I'm just understand that the insult and attack on him is very, very huge. Well deserved, though. Well deserved. Now listen.
program this evening. We have a lot. Our evening I
Listen.
Ife name kita.
Okay.
I just Ocha can nachi.
Mamu, I don't watch you.
Church now we all that na. I na bambo ka we fe happy me.
Truly.
And I found that no one do ne push come.
In that harmony, because this woman somehow she know how to respect you. If she have not gotten what she want, she know what is called respect and humility. But any day that she knows that she want to achieve, that the church is no longer here, she will not tell you who she really is. No, we're ending a push. She don't know. She no longer know how to call names. No, we're ending. Why don't you mention the name? Because in that community check again enemy program. Reason why she don't go all out on them yet, she just decamp from USB. Now no get granted. The city no get great is highly shaking for her due to the kind of person she is. And like she have made her worst mistake, but let me not go there so that I will not reveal anything yet. Not secret something, but what I think. This is my own thoughts. Now let's continue.
And anybody owner na supporting Jim onwe. No na support Biafran government in exile.
On her talk ways, Nana. She don't remember things anymore. She's now a stammerer, right? She stammer a lot because she don't want to say the one that will make them to use 2 by 2 and hit her from behind. Get her from here. So when you fell back because we just use AI to drag you here, we just hold to manage you. Now we have used you and dump you. Get out, let us see where you are going to fall back to. The only place that she may she have not she may that's where her mind is Charter Republic, where she will because she want to create environment where him and Ogenkere, sorry, not Ogenkere, I Biafra Unite. She just want to form a republic where to create. She want to be available when this new government of Republic, Charter Republic will be formed. Of course, she will have deputy or if not one of the top. You know, that is what she want. But the question is, if that is what you want, have you asked yourself if that thing is possible? That's another question. But nevertheless, let's continue with the topic. I don't want to deviate. Hear what she wants to say.
They set table. Now set table. Cowboy war. They set table. Ka okulivenu. I didn't show no nya na made this struggle. I made this struggle informer.
Oye Wagner, this woman will all of a sudden, he don't remember names calling anymore. Oye said the table about war. That war because this is her own reaction, trying to tell them that I'm not happy that the way you guys are talking to my boss. Because truly they are, Czech Republic are in exile of people that are in exile. Like their own exile is inside the brig. Briggy said they're in exile, but Czech Republic want to form exile inside people that is in exile. That's the problem. And that's why they're not making headway. The only clever person among them that I'm seeing now is Sia. Sia remain neutral, but eyeing them want to see their performance before he will declare where he belongs. Guy people. Anyway, guy men are everywhere. Listen.
And the redemption on the genuine. And this is struggle.
Oh, so meaning after Ekugide Biafra Unite in Briggy, they are not genuine according to why is such an no. Just keep on noting the point.
I didn't mention on your potential self for struggle.
Okay.
When you want to track it, book not talk Ocha. Only Madi be quasely. Just not somebody because he ain't clear on a LSC from message on them on it.
Before receive all these messages, if you listen to broadcasts of Chiamaka Jere, you know that this woman is somehow directly talking to Chiamaka, but because of one thing that leads to one thing that that happened in the past, she don't want to call names. That's why I said this woman actually know how to respect, like how to avoid names calling. Let's continue. Yes, she knows what she's doing. But unfortunately, she's doing it with the wrong people. Just a moment. Let me get this out. Because we're playing it directly from the platform. So I don't have time to download anything. Let's just wait a moment. So let's continue. And she said this.
Was na mentality the solos and they want them too much time.
No, let me hear what she said that somebody told her.
Solos and they want them too much time.
No, again.
Message on them on it.
Now listen.
Nah, ba. I wanna play on if no even a block me. Was na mentality the solos and they want them too much time. The person my was when my time of myself my want to time on in a don't we go na wanna main load a popular channel or an agent main load on our program when that time. And when just sure about how many minutes come on my come on. But the life get an major wage. Yeah, man, even na make some people man that's my life. It may be a matter. And the one I'm going to do one put a life in program. It may be in a way where some people on onye ọbụla na-abịa na social media eme life ekwu ife wuchi masị ife ọhụrụ ọ chọrọ ikwu ọ na-ekwe bikos na o si dị ya ka onye si were kwue na-achọghị ịma ịjụ ịkpa m ada ama ịkpa m nwa ada ndị mbụ na ndị gịrị jụọ m na ọ masịrị m ka ọ na-amasị m o mee ya and achọkwara m ịma na o si mie ihe anyị nọ demokrasi ife ọnwụ na ịchọ na ịfụrụ na ọ ya emebi ife ikwuo ya ya onye kwuzie ya ọ bụrụzie ya ka ya eji wee bịa siti
because some of the people in fallback republic actually believe that this woman is with them, like that she fall back truly with all her heart and she's she's loyal to government. She's answerable to the Ogenkere and their group. No, she fell back because she don't have any other choice. She was kicked out in USB officially. Because what they normally do is this, because they are very, very cunning. Each time they do something and they know that that thing will lead to, expel. They expel them, they will tender resignation or they will run away. Because people inside us, everyone have friends, right? People from the cabinet will go and link to them that after, discussion, after executive meeting that it was concluded that they are going to sack you. That person will not rush and say, okay, I noticed that this place is no longer conducive for me. I hereby decided to go on my own and I'm not gonna say anything about it again. So that was what happened. And she ran away. Now she's saying it because they called her, telling her nah, we have already decided not to associate ourselves with Biafra United anymore. So distance yourself from him. That's why she's telling you what she's saying now. That she have right. Hear that? Listen.
Mmadụ akpọzie m na fon asị m onye mma na m na-asọpọtụ m asọ mee onye mụ na ya adị mma na onye mụ na ya na-abịa ya adị mma abịala m na soshal midia ịbịa chọọ mmadụ ya agwa m onye mụ na ya na-abụ ya adị mma onye mma agwa okwu onye m ya agwa okwu aka dị ya na ndatiste ịmakwa ihe ahụ onye ndụ onye anọ kịta mmadụ asị m meghezi n'ikuku na ọnụ na-echiazi na program ikuku na for what?
Because I'm not supposed to think that, oh, kind of, you are just saying, you are just creating this story. This is from high direct. I'm going to program again. So, conflict of interest. Now it is time for what is for the first time in her life to make a decision that has to do with whether you like me or you don't like me. It's no longer the time to play game. Because that game that she's trying to play, that is what Ogenkere and the Sana Parawas, they know how to do it better than anybody. So you can't cheat people in their own game. You understand the point?
For what can you do now? Maria, you were one mamation away for you could not melum. Oh, my program, the only program more important. If on one they create awareness. Now, when they buy the quiff name and the hope to me, she of more. All one time, me Jimmy program 2 times, me Jimmy program 2, and the one if I stop for me. No, but nothing. Only ask for him. When you stop for me. You could not be alive. Who you folk? Bamba maka who get the reason? Age where block for our people for 4 good months.
This issue that she said here now, I don't really understand it. I don't know what that means. That now block on the buy for 4 good months. Please, I don't know this what she's trying to say here. If you know, please educate me on that on comment section, because now block on the buy for 4 good months. I don't understand that, to be honest with you. I don't.
Nobody said anything. Our government take nothing. All the right. Now,
also, our government 4 months ago, were you in the Republic, fallback Republic? Okay, people, they're very, very funny. Anyway, listen.
our government apụtago nye 72 hours. All that the ikuku na-eme program enye that 72 hours.
Like I said, please, I want somebody to tell me what she's talking about here. That ikuku na ya kulu something, and their government said 72 hours. Anyway, I just want you to know that they are trying to pretend on this issue. There's conflict of interest, and it's not something that you can hide. It's a matter of time. It will surface because Ogenkere group they don't take this kind of pretense again from you. That's just the fact. So we will keep our eyes on that. Please like this video and tell what to think about it. I just want to share this with you because there's fire on the mountain. A lot is yet to come, but we are going to be talking about it one by one. All right. I don't want to run faster than my shadow. Let us be following them, how the whole thing is unfolding. And remember, today's date is 28. You have a few days to go for the event in US and the Remembrance Day of different foreign heroes and heroines. So the choice is yours. If you want to obey, you obey. If you don't want, it's up to you. But you know, it's not about anybody. It's about respecting, paying respect to those that those that deserve it. All right. So God bless you and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you again and bye bye for now.